Hello everyone, welcome back to Journal Output. It's me Zanabal Taf, and today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can transfer the data from your one iPhone to another iPhone. So it is a very easy and free method. As you can see that you should have two phones in which you want to transfer the data should be on hello screen, and from where you want to transfer the data should be on home screen. So first of all, in settings your airdrop must be everyone. As you can see, mine is everyone. So this is my another iPhone in which I want to transfer the data. So it is in hello screen. I'll just power it off and turn it on once again. So let's turn it on. Now when it gets turned on, you are going to receive a message on your old iPhone, set up a new iPhone. So for that you have to click on continue because you want to set up the new iPhone. And now it is just connecting, and here it is setting in your another phone is setting the language, and after that it is asking for you to scan. So here you have to just hold the camera as I'm doing on the blue kind of thing to scan it. And now it's just connecting, and on another phone we are just waiting for the old iPhone. So now it is connected. And now it is saying finish on the new iPhone. Now let's set the language, and it is asking for the passcode of your old iPhone. You have to give the passcode to it, and now we have to wait for it until it gets. Now it is asking for your Touch ID. If you want to give your Touch ID, you can do it right now, but I'm not doing it. And after that you have to click on continue because we want to transfer the data. Click on agree and again agree. Now you have to click on continue for the settings. You can do settings according to your choice. And I'm doing it according to my choice. Now it is just preparing to transfer, so we have to wait until it gets prepared. Now it is asking for your iCloud account password of your old phone, so you have to give your iCloud account password and click on next. So now it is just transferring the data from the iPhone in both of the phones, as you can see here. And now it is going to take some time according to the data. So it is going to take time according to your data. So until then, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to receive every new update on time. And like this video, and also share this video as much as you can. Now as you can see on my old phone, it is a message that transfer complete. The transfer is successfully completed, and on the new phone it is just rebooting. So we have to wait, and as you can see, transfer complete. So now until my new phone gets on the home screen, you should subscribe to my another channel, that is Gamers, where I upload very amazing gameplays. You can check them out and also subscribe to that. I'm not getting a good response, but I hope I'm gonna get after this video. So now as you can see, I'm on the home screen. I'm just going to put the passcode, and here you can see I'm successfully on the home screen. All the data is transferred. Your contacts, your apps, your pictures, everything is going to get transferred from your one iPhone to another iPhone. This was a very easy method. It was a free method. I hope you understood whole the tutorial, and I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching the video.